Calorie deficit for desk workers, fat loss without moving. Stuck at your desk? You can still lose weight. No gym, no treadmill, no rise and grind speeches. Just real science-backed strategies that actually work, even if you barely move all day. So, if you're thinking, is it even possible to lose fat just sitting at a desk? The answer is yes, and I'll show you how. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. Here's what no one tells you. You don't need to sweat to lose weight. You just need to understand one simple concept: calorie deficit. And the best part? You can create that deficit without ever leaving your chair. Okay, first things first. Let's clear up the biggest myth. Calories in versus calories out isn't just about workouts. It's also about how much your body burns by just existing. That's called your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. Even if you lie on the couch all day, your body is still burning energy to keep you alive. Your heart's beating, lungs breathing, brain thinking. It all takes fuel. So the trick? Create a calorie deficit by eating slightly less than your body burns naturally. That's the secret to fat loss without movement. Let's break this into a step-by-step plan. Step 1. Find your BMR cursor. You can Google a free BMR calculator. Plug in your age, height, weight, and gender. Boom! That's your starting number. Let's say it's 1800. That means your body burns about 1800 calories doing nothing. To lose weight, you want to eat a little less than that, say around 1500 to 1600. That 200 to 300 calorie difference is your deficit. By the way, if you want help finding the exact solution for you, the quiz below does that for you. It's like a shortcut to clarity. Alright, now comes Step 2. Eat for fullness, not just calories. This is where most people mess up. They think calorie deficit means eat like a rabbit. Nope. The smart move is to focus on high-volume, low-calorie foods. You want meals that are big on portion size but low in calories. Think eggs, chicken breast, zucchini noodles, Greek yogurt, popcorn, cottage cheese, strawberries, cauliflower rice. You could eat a mountain of roasted veggies for the same calories as a handful of chips, and you won't feel like you're dieting either. Feeling full is half the battle. If your meals satisfy you, you won't be constantly reaching for snacks. Speaking of snacks, let's talk about liquid calories. Step 3. Cut the sneaky calories. Lattes, smoothies, juices, flavored waters, even health drinks can quietly sabotage your progress. Some coffees have more calories than a full breakfast. So ask yourself, would you rather drink your calories or eat them and feel full? Switching to water, black coffee, or zero-calorie drinks alone could create a calorie deficit without changing anything else. And if you're thinking, this sounds too simple to work, that's because it is simple. Weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. It has to be consistent. Still with me? Awesome. Here's Step 4. Prep just one thing a day. Don't overwhelm yourself with full meal plans. Just prep one smart decision each day. Maybe it's a high-protein breakfast. Maybe it's chopping veggies. Maybe it's skipping Uber Eats and packing a lunch. Small wins build momentum, and momentum crushes motivation every time. By the way, if you're not sure what to prep or which foods are best for your body type, the quiz below gives you a personalized plan in under a minute. Okay, now let's address the elephant in the room. But I sit for 8 to 10 hours a day. Totally valid. And that's where. Step 5. Micro movements. You don't need workouts, just tiny natural movements throughout the day. Stand while you take calls. Stretch during breaks. Tap your feet. Walk to the far bathroom. It might not seem like much, but these little things add up. You're burning extra calories without breaking a sweat. And even more important, it keeps your body from getting stiff and sluggish. Pair this with your calorie deficit, and you've got a fat-burning setup that actually fits your lifestyle. Now, let's talk mindset. Step 6. Stop chasing motivation, build habits. Motivation is a temporary feeling. Habits are systems, and systems win every single time. Here's the formula. Start small. Track your progress. Repeat. You don't need a perfect plan. you need a repeatable one. And if you're not sure where to start, the quiz below will literally hand you your first habit. Try it. It's way better than guessing. Let's do a quick recap. Find your BMR, create a small calorie deficit, eat foods that keep you full, ditch the sneaky liquid calories, prep one smart thing a day, move a little without exercising, focus on systems, not motivation. You don't need to overhaul your life, you just need to shift your strategy. Desk job or not, you've got everything you need to start losing fat today. And remember, if you want to skip the guesswork and go straight to what works for you, take the free 60-second quiz below. It's fast, personalized, and kind of fun, honestly. You don't need to move mountains, you just need to move in the right direction. And this is exactly that.
Check out this next video about calorie deficit and weight loss, and we'll see you there. Also, make sure to check out that link in the description for our best recommendations when it comes to calorie deficit and weight loss.